Welcome to this 10-minute mindfulness meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, allowing your feet to rest firmly on the ground. Keep your legs uncrossed and let your hands gently rest in your lap. As you settle in, straighten your spine, feeling proud and tall. Close your eyes softly and take a moment to connect with your breath. Let's begin by simply observing your breathing. No need to change or judge it. Just be aware. Mindfulness is about being present, fully engaged in the moment without any judgment. Focus on your breath, noticing the sensations it brings. As you breathe, if thoughts start to drift in, that's perfectly okay. Acknowledge them without attachment. Our goal is to observe, not to judge or react. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you, and notice any sensations, like the cool air against your skin. Now, bring awareness to your body. Notice the muscles you're using. If you feel tension, gently allow your belly to relax, expanding as you inhale and contracting as you exhale. Focus on these sensations, allowing yourself to be present with them. Let your emotions surface without judgment. Just observe. You might notice a sense of calmness, or perhaps the weight of certain feelings. Whatever arises, simply let it be. Extend this practice to your thoughts. Imagine a situation from your life and observe it without labels or judgments. Just witness it as it is, remaining in this centered state of being. Notice how your body reacts to these thoughts. There's no need to change anything. Just be aware and present. Remember, you can apply this mindfulness to any part of your life. Be aware without attachment, letting each moment unfold naturally. Allow the calmness you've cultivated to remain with you. Now, slowly bring your attention back to your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders back. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, returning to the room around you, carrying this sense of peace with you. Thank you for joining this mindfulness meditation. Remember to embrace each moment as it comes. If you enjoyed this practice, please like and subscribe for more meditations.